Rydall, it's an open table. Let's start with who was the first guy that got exposed.
Okay, so the first guy that got exposed, I like to call him Oros man, Clint Fester. And the reason why I exposed him was because at the time I had a very small social media following. Less than 2,000. You would know this, but I'm just gonna say this out there for everyone to understand. Less than 2,000 followers. So for me, it was literally David going up against Goliath, and Clint.
Just to not even 2,000. When I saw Rydall the first time, he had 84. I'll never forget it. 84 followers on Instagram. And Clint Fester brushed him aside. Like, what is this guy going to do with 84 followers, not knowing that one day his YouTube channel will be bigger than his IG following and his YouTube channel. But sorry, I just want to put that out just to show the guys of the humble beginnings where it began.
Yeah, so, and it's like you say, because Clint had the bigger platform, he felt that you could bully me, right? But with me, my vision was clear from jump. When you look at my videos, you will see that this was always my approach. I put out a video. If you respond, your response, I can guarantee you this, your response is going to give me ammo. Now you give me the response, I look into your response. And this is what Clint always did. I make a video, he responds, he goes crazy on his, and I mean, if you, at the time, Clint was 37, I remember it very, very clearly, 37,000 Instagram followers. 84. How are you bothered by me? So that means I must be talking the truth. And this is, look, I've brushed it under the table because I don't want people to think I'm moaning. I don't want people to think I'm complaining, because very often people push me back with the conversation, oh, but you started exposing people, so you have to accept what comes with it. And I do, but when it gets to a point of I've exposed you and you don't want to accept it, you constantly giving replies, but with each reply, you burying yourself further. And then when you realize that you are finally 6'6", you want to send people to me. You want to post my address to your Instagram. You want to post a detailed description of how I look to your followers with the caption, there is, you guys can do to him what you please.